In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to change Gmail from business to personal. You can do this method that I'll show you to any device you have, but for this one, I'm using an iPhone, so let's get into it. First, open the Google app on your device. Next, tap your profile icon on the upper right corner. Select Manage your Google account under your profile. Next, go to the People and Sharing section right here. Now, scroll down to Business Features section. You can see here the Business Personalization. Simply tap it to open the feature. Now, beside the Business Personalization, simply toggle off the button and it should turn gray, which means it is now turned off and your Gmail should now be set to personal one. Take note that it may take up to 48 hours to make the changes on your account. That's about it.